If you're building a serious home theater or high-fidelity music system, the SVS SB-5000 R Evolution deserves your full attention. This sealed subwoofer isn't just about brute strength, though it certainly has that. It's about precision, control, and sonic depth that redefines what's possible at this level. With a massive 15-inch Extreme-Excursion Driver, an astonishing 2,000-watt RMS amplifier, and next-gen DSP with app-based controls, the SB-5000 R Evolution blends high-end specs with thoughtful engineering. Whether you're watching blockbusters or listening to subtle acoustic tracks, this sub brings bass to life with clarity and scale. It reaches down to a staggering 17 Hz, delivering a tactile low end that rumbles through your bones without ever sounding muddy. Every note is clean, detailed, and impactful. What makes this subwoofer special is how it manages to be both explosive and refined. It's engineered for reference-grade performance and built with materials and features that rival products twice its price. From cinematic effects to orchestral swells, this sub doesn't just support your sound, it transforms your entire listening experience. The SVS SB-5000 R Evolution isn't just a component, it's a foundation for any serious audio setup. At the core of the SB-5000 R Evolution is SVS's most advanced 15-inch driver ever created. Custom engineered for extreme excursion and precise control. This fiberglass composite cone is paired with a massive motor system, 4-layer voice coil, and oversized NBR rubber surround, designed to move massive amounts of air while staying linear and distortion-free. It's the kind of driver you'd expect in a flagship model, capable of delivering tight, thunderous bass with surgical accuracy. Powering this beast is a dual mono Class D amplifier that pushes an eye-popping 2,000 watts RMS and over 5,000 watts peak. Each voice coil gets its own power supply, improving dynamics and lowering noise. It also uses 8 discrete 60A MOSFETs and power factor correction to deliver rock-solid performance without taxing your home's electrical system. Whether you're shaking the walls with action movie explosions or filling a room with the textured rumble of a pipe organ, this amp driver combo ensures you always get maximum impact with minimal effort. This synergy between brute power and mechanical finesse is what separates the SB-5000 from lesser subs. It doesn't just go loud, it goes deep, clean, and controlled. Modern subwoofers need more than raw power. They need intelligence. The SB-5000 R Evolution brings that in spades with a 295 MHz analog devices DSP, one of the most advanced in any consumer sub. It's constantly working behind the scenes, analyzing and adjusting signal processing in real time to ensure peak performance. This chip fine-tunes output to maintain ideal frequency response, manage thermal limits, and preserve clarity, no matter how hard you push it. But what truly sets the SB-5000 apart is how this intelligence is placed in your hands. With the SVS app, available for iOS, Android, and Amazon Fire, you can control every essential parameter remotely. Adjust volume, phase, low-pass filter, polarity, and set up to 6 bands of parametric EQ, all without leaving your seat. There's even auto room EQ that helps fine-tune the sub's output to your specific environment. You also get 3 user presets, so switching between music, movies, or late-night listening is quick and easy. This isn't just user-friendly, it's enthusiast-grade tuning made simple. The SB-5000 R Evolution is proof that great sound doesn't have to mean complicated setup or confusing controls. While the tech inside the SB-5000 is undeniably cutting-edge, SVS didn't cut corners on the cabinet. Built from double-thick MDF and reinforced with extensive internal bracing, the sealed enclosure is engineered to be acoustically inert. No resonance, no coloration, just clean, controlled bass. The sealed design also makes it easier to place in your room without the unpredictable boominess of ported subs. Inside, the cabinet is lined with sound-dampening material that further eliminates unwanted vibrations and enhances overall clarity. On the outside, the sub is finished with the choice of a sleek piano gloss black or a more understated black ash, both of which look high-end without being flashy. The detachable ABS grille with cloth covering adds a subtle layer of protection while maintaining the minimalist aesthetic. Elastomer feet underneath reduce floor vibrations and keep the sub stable, even during high-output passages. Every detail, right down to the rear panel OLED display, shows SVS's attention to user experience and performance. This is a subwoofer built not just to look good, but to deliver decades of reliable, reference-grade bass in any serious audio environment. The SB-5000 R Evolution is more than just the sum of its specs. It's a distillation of everything SVS has learned from years of pushing subwoofer design forward. Drawing heavily from the premium 17 Ultra series, it brings many of those reference-level innovations to a more attainable price point. It's built for audio purists who want uncompromising performance, but also for home theater fans who crave immersive sound without the guesswork. Whether you pair it with a 2-channel audiophile setup or drop it into a full Atmos system, the SB-5000 elevates your audio experience with authority. But what's perhaps most impressive is how easy it is to live with. From its smart app control to its flexible room calibration and understated design, it adapts to your lifestyle just as easily as it adapts to your room. In a market crowded with bloated specs and empty promises, the SB-5000 delivers on every front. It doesn't just meet expectations, it redefines them. For anyone serious about bass, the SB-5000 R Evolution isn't just a recommendation, it's the new benchmark.